Hello people, I'm back with a new video. I own a Honda Civic 2011. It's an older model. So, it does not have any screen. Um, there's no infotainment system and all that. So, the thing is, so I decided to put an iPad instead because it gives you a lot more options, nice screen, a lot of benefits. We all know what iPad can offer you. So, this is nothing new I'm doing, but I'm just showing everybody what I did and how I did it. So let's start. So this is an iPad. It's a 7th generation 10.2-inch model. So every car has a different dashboard and different design. So every car holder or tablet holder you order, you have to do it accordingly because sometimes. It does not gonna fit or it's not gonna go according to your needs, so you have to be careful. So like this dashboard is has no straight flat surface, so I have to be very precise with my buyings. So this is what I did. I instead of uh, uh, putting the tablet in one holder, I decided to go for two, so I can show you like right behind that. There's one connected to the windshield and one on the dashboard, but the one on the dashboard is not completely attached because it has glue on it. Of course, it's gonna hold it, but that's not enough. So, um, you know, that's the reason I had to get two. So you saw the iPad is relatively heavier than the phone, so it needs more strength to hold it up there firm and tight. So I always prefer convenience over looks. So I know I put some Velcro over here under that so it stays sturdy. So it does not look very pretty, but honestly, I would prefer it. If it falls, that's going to be a big issue. So the better way to do it is that you can compromise a little bit on look, but convenience is the way to go. All right, so it's a very simple model, so I don't go for crazy extra stuff and put extra money for no reason until it does the job. I think that's what it should be. And I got all my controls and everything. It's not covering any of that stuff. So I'm using the um, lightning port for the charging, and I'm connecting. I ordered just like a gas lighter uh, charger. So it has two ports, the regular USB A and one USB C. So that's what I'm using to charge. And aux cable is always my preference. That's the reason I bought this iPad, because it gives you the best quality of sound instead of Bluetooth with the lags and all that stuff. So I hate that if you're using a screen and watching a video, and if it's the audio is not synced, so that kills all the purpose. So there's no point. So a little bit of wire is not gonna bug me, but the thing is, with the convenience I will get and the sound quality I will get from the aux cord, that's gonna be the best quality. So this is the reason I'm using this aux cord for the iPad. So I can. That's why I did not like the newer generation, where is it only Lightning port and they no aux port, 3.5 mm jack. So so I cannot do two things at the same time. So here I can charge and play music at the same time. So this is the, I think, best scenario. So let's go with the iPad. How I did it. If I turn it on, I put a regular plain black wallpaper right behind it, so in case you're driving, you don't get a lot of light in your eyes, so it'll be more convenient instead. And I turned these icons into the large one, so you can go into the settings. I don't have to explain to you all this because everybody's been using iPad for like decades. So these are simple stuff. I just wanted to show you the setup I have. So all the options we see, I got Google Maps here. All right, so you can always use a big nice screen, so wherever you want to go, you can always go with the big screen. So perfect scenario. And You don't even use the button. It's quite sturdy and it does not move at all. So this is a perfect thing you can do. And you got YouTube. You can play music and all that stuff. So I will show you while I'm driving also. So, you know, you can see how nice this setup is. And you can, if you want to, I'm not going to play any, you know, video to avoid any issues. So just to give you an idea, let's start the car and start driving. Let's turn on the Google Maps and see how they look like. Let me put my seatbelt on. Give me 1 second, please. All right. So I'm coming out of my driveway. See, this thing works pretty well. And it's not moving at all, not jerking, not shaking. So I connected this with my basically internet is not there because I connected with my hotspot. So normally this is the internet I normally use. So the hotspot is the one I'll be using with. So you know, the Google Maps, they're gonna behave the way they are. So it's nothing you can do about it. So now you go. It's working perfectly fine. They caught up. So you can use any maps, whatever kind of maps you normally use in your daily life. So it doesn't matter. It's just an app. You go to an app store, download whatever you, whatever kind of, you know. So whenever I walk into my car, my hotspot is normally on all the time. So what happens is I just give me 1 second. So what I do is just walk into the car. It connects automatically, so you don't have to worry about all the connection things and all that. So let's try they're not behaving so well right now. Okay, so you can download any other kind of apps, and this is the video for today. If you like my content channel, and but so what you can do is you can just like and subscribe to the channel and give me a like if you like the content and the setup I have. All right, peace out.